Well, hello again.
Merry Christmas from Animal Kingdom!
We made it all the way to Pandora. We had to rush over here, try to get in line. Because you can't not come to Animal Kingdom without riding Flight of Passage.
But I wore my Yeti shirt, Brian wore his Christmas shirt.
Someone's in the Christmas spirit. No guys, so we're going to try to see how much decorations there are. They do have 1 or 2 snack items, but even though they look amazing, what they are, like they have a gingerbread cupcake, which we probably will pass on.
It looks pretty, but yeah. I don't want to buy it.
Just for pretty.
I really want to try it. If you're new, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on that link. Hopefully stay with us and subscribe. And then share with your family and friends. We will absolutely love that. And thank you so much if you have done so already. Yeah, and if you do subscribe, hit that bell notification. So that way you get notified every time we do post a video, which is twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. But we occasionally may surprise you with a 3rd or 4th video throughout the week. Who knows? But we're really excited, guys. We can't wait to show you the Christmas stuff here.
Last year was the first year they officially decorated like the whole park for Christmas. It was so
pretty. So hopefully it's the same. And because it's like really cloudy, like things are lit up, or like they're already plugged in maybe, but you can actually see them now.
Yeah. So we're really excited, guys. We hope you enjoy the video.
Yes.
Hello guys, we are at Valia Morara having lunch in the canteen. So, just found out that if you don't like beans, they'll give you an allergy-friendly rice bowl. Which I didn't know that, but it doesn't say it on the app, so it's interesting to kind of look around for that. So the more you know. So right now it's kind of disappointing because it's been raining a little bit. Well, and misty, yeah. So that might be why the boats aren't out. Because we want to see all the characters, and then we might be able to see Santa Claus. Yeah. But it's just enough to where the lights look really cool and they're like glistening and sparkling. So we'll try to get that. We're by the bird show. Yeah, that looks so cool. We'll have to show you guys. Yeah. Guys, you gotta look at this. It does not look as good on camera as it does in person. Yeah, because it looks a little bit lighter on camera, doesn't it? Yeah. It's like just the perfect time. But this is so cool.
It's time to do the same today. Okay, everybody up! Everybody up! A-listers! Alright, everybody up, here we go, ready? Nice, you get what you want. Merry Christmas! And have a marvelous day. Nice job, man. Oh my goodness gracious!
As most of you know, we superly love this. Well, it's my favorite ride. But look how spooky. Woo. And it going up, do you see the... Yeah. That's cool. With all the rain and the mist. So question, has these lights always been up? We're not sure.
It's been a long time since we've been here at night. We're here during the day mostly.
I know.
It was lit up.
The green one's not lit up, but the red one is.
Oh, it was.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh.
At least I think it was.
But look at that. And then over here, they have more decorations. And over here at Restaurantosaurus, they have a Santa Claus underneath the sign. Sorry, it's not. There it goes. It's been having a hard time focusing today, but there it is.
So we're at Dinosaur. We're gonna ride it for Sam.
Yeah.
One of our friends who's also a YouTuber.
He is.
We'll have to link him down or show the link right here.
Definitely will. So we are really kind of amazed at how much it is decorated for Christmas. Africa was kind of decorated. It was pretty cool. Dinoland USA is decorated. They have like a lot of different lights on the posts and stuff, which is really cool.
Yes. The only thing that I do hope they put up soon, or people start saying, is like, you know, little like the tree trail, but not really a tree trail, where like you can meet like Donald, Daisy, and all them where you're able to. But because of COVID, of course, it's closed. So I wish that part was lit up where you can still walk through it at least and kind of see the different.
I wish they would do something like Legoland where you can go and still be 6 feet, 10 feet away from the character and still be able to meet them. That'd be kind of cool. But it is what it is. They're doing the best they can to keep us all safe. But we will definitely kind of, when we, on the way out, hopefully everything over there will be lit.
Yes,
lit up,
it'll be darker to where you guys can see the lights a little bit better. But we're going to go get in line.
Yeah, we are. We're coming into the main entrance and they have everything lit up. It is amazing. And they're doing you might be able to hear the music. They are doing something on the tree. We're just not over there yet. But Christmas is finally here at Animal Kingdom. So I was really hoping that Amber wouldn't see what you're seeing right now. And she did.
Look how cute. Do we have one of these?
No, we don't. We don't have a Chip and Dale from Christmas.
I got all the 30 buck out.
They're slowly getting more. Looks like probably gingerbread. Guys, look at these plates. They have Fabulous, Yolas, Ho Ho Ho, and then you got Bah Humbug with Donald, and then you got Goofy. Oh, look at
Table runner. It's reversible.
Oh, that's so cool. In the green. That's cool. Nice little runner, and then $60 for the runner. I like the cookie tray though.
Yeah.
Looks cool.
This one? I don't want to check.
They got a whole bunch of other stuff. They even have frosted pretzels. They have hot chocolate mix. Amber's really torn about this Spirit jersey.
I keep going to this.
She can't make up her mind. They have this one over here too. It's not bad. This is pretty cool too. This one says Winter Magic Disney Parks, and look at that. It matches this jacket too. They have a Spirit jersey mask. That's nifty. Guys, we are done, and the tree is very blurry, but it's okay.
You kind of can see it. We'll show you guys a close up.
Yeah.
Well, you've probably already seen it, but
guys, you know, I'm so glad that they're decorating Animal Kingdom now for Christmas. It kind of just makes things just more in the season.
More official?
Yeah, it does. You know, Magic Kingdom is always known for the holidays, you know, decorations. Animal Kingdom is starting to pick up there. It's kind of cool that they mix kind of some of the cultures and stuff. Epcot, you get to see all the different Christmases that they celebrate throughout the countries.
I wonder if they're still doing the storytelling too. Who knows?
Who knows? Yeah, we haven't looked. But we're really excited for Christmas because it's just around the corner.
Remember, it's Christmas, Thanksgiving, then Christmas.
Right. But guys, if you made this far, thank you so much for checking out our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Again, if you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification.
Share with your family and friends, send them their way if they're gonna travel and they want to see ahead of time, or if you miss Christmas at Disney, if you're no longer here, you know, there's a whole bunch of reasons to hit subscribe.
But guys, we will definitely see you guys next time. Bye.